Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix the TikTok stitch not working. So let's just get straight into the video. So the first being the video creator may have disabled stitches for their content. So ensure that it is not that. However, if it is not that and you're still facing that problem, what you can try to do is simply open your TikTok application, click on your profile, click on the top right triple lines icon and settings and privacy. Then go all the way down to free up space and click on clear right beside cache to clear any existing cache, which should go ahead and fix your problem. If that is not the case, users under 16 cannot use the stitch feature and users under 18 have stricter privacy settings. So make sure your age is above all that. And if that is still not the case, then try to simply uninstall and then reinstall your TikTok app. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.